How to change Amtrak reservations. Sometimes when you make travel plans, you can encounter an unexpected emergency or simply change your mind about when you want to travel. If you are traveling with Amtrak, you can change your existing reservations through the Amtrak website or over the telephone with an Amtrak representative. Although additional fees may apply, you can change your travel dates, update your seating options, or even make plans for sleeping arrangements. Continue reading to learn how you can make changes to your existing Amtrak reservations. Method 1. Decide how you want to change your reservation. 1. Change your ticket delivery method. You can choose to have your tickets sent by mail or arrange to have them ready for pick-up at an Amtrak kiosk, Amtrak station, or Amtrak vending machine. 2. Modify the times or dates of your reservation based on your new traveling plans. There are no penalty fees for changing a reservation. You may be required to pay the difference in cost if your new, updated ticket has a higher rate. For example, if you paid $250, €176, for your original ticket, but the ticket for your new reservation costs $300, €212, you'll be required to pay the difference of $50, €35.29. 3. Change your class of service. You can upgrade or downgrade to and from first class, or make Amtrak sleeping arrangements. If you are modifying first class or sleeping car reservations, you must provide advance notices of 1 hour, or 7 days, respectively. You will be required to pay penalties or for the full price of the extra accommodations if you do not change your reservations within the advance notice time frames. 4. Modify the type of vehicle you are bringing on the train with you if you booked an auto train reservation. For example, if you have decided to bring a car instead of a motorcycle, you will need to notify Amtrak to reserve extra room for your automobile. Method 2. Change your reservations online. 1. Visit the Amtrak website listed in the Sources section of this article to modify your existing reservation. You can only change your reservation on Amtrak's website if you booked your original reservation through the website. 2. Click on the login link in the upper left corner of your Amtrak website session. 3. Enter the email address and password you used to book your original reservation. If you made your original reservation on the Amtrak website as a guest and did not sign into your Amtrak user account, click on the My Trip tab. The My Trip tab is located below the login link on the left. You will be required to provide your reservation number and email address, or just your telephone number. 4. Select the option to modify your reservation when your existing reservation details appear on your screen. 5. Make the desired changes to your existing reservation and submit them to Amtrak. Method 3. Change your reservations by telephone. 1. Call Amtrak to change your existing Amtrak reservation. Call 1-800-872-7245 if you are located in the United States or Canada. If you are using a telecommunications device for the deaf, TDD, call 1-800-523-6590. Call 001-215-856-7952 if you located in a country outside of the United States or Canada. 2. Provide the Amtrak representative with your existing travel reservation number and the dates of your travel. 3. Explain to the Amtrak representative how you wish to change your existing reservation. Tips. If you travel regularly and experience frequent delays or change your reservations due to illness, you may want to consider enrolling for traveling insurance coverage through Amtrak, which can cover any fees you accrue up to $500. €353. You can visit the Amtrak Travel Protection website featured in the Sources section of this article to review different coverage options based on your traveling patterns.